Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is super duper this is super exciting. Okay, so you guys know I've been talking to you guys about me getting into nails and starting to do nails professionally, and you know, just really want to learn the art of nails and how to do designs and how to lay acrylic, how to file, how to shape, how to everything. Like, I want to know it all. I have some plans, okay? So you guys, I made my first purchase towards growing my kit and getting the things that I need to, you know, to start doing nails. So I made a purchase on Amazon. This is the box here. Good old Amazon, okay? I want to show you guys some of the things that I have purchased. I do have a few more things coming in the mail from other sites, but these are going to be the things I picked up from Amazon. And you guys, let me just tell you, Amazon is that girl. Amazon is just everything, okay? So if you guys want to see the things that I picked up from Amazon to start my career in nails, okay, then just keep on watching. First up in my Amazon box of nail goodies is this nail clipper. So if you guys watched a few of my nail videos, I don't have many up yet, but I was cutting my nails with scissors, and them nails were flying all over the place. Like you saw in the video, like I would take the scissors, cut them, and then pew, like nails would just go flying. So I got this really handy dandy nail clipper. It's super sharp. I did already test it out on one of my nails that I bought, but it's super sharp, super cute. It's pink. Yeah, I wanted the black one, but I don't know why things that come in black cost more money. So this was like $5. I'll put the actual like price of everything on the screen, and I'll link it down below just in case I forget. But I got me some nail cutters, okay, because listen, I'm about to do the thing. Watch me. Next up, these came with something else that I purchased, but super important. I didn't know until I did my research, but I knew like the UV lamp wasn't good for, you know, your fingers and stuff. So I got these gloves that you just, hold on, let me show you. You just stick your hand in and like this, and then you can put it in the UV lamp. This helps against, like, you know, like skin damage. You guys know I love my skin, okay? I take good care of my skin. It just helps when you're, you know, drying your nails. So I do plan on doing my nails very often so that my skin on my fingers aren't getting all crusty and skin cancer and all the stuff that comes along with using those UV lamps. So I got these and they're super cool. And again, I was going to purchase these, but then I saw that it's like a gift with purchase with something else that I bought. So basically I got this for free, okay? Next in my bag of goodies, so this is nail tape. So if you're not familiar with nail tape, I will put a picture of what it is on the screen and what it looks like on the nail. But you guys, I got 35 colors. 35 colors of nail tape. And you guys, I'm obsessed. So if you guys see my videos, I'm using a lot of nail tape. Just know it's because I have literally every color of the rainbow and then some. I got some glitter ones. I got some holographic ones. They're just really cool. This one's a rose gold one. As you guys can see, it's just like a wheel of just like really thin tape, and it goes on your nails. So you can do like pretty designs. You can put like the cute lines down your nails, because you know I'm not really good with like the freehand yet. So this would be really good if I want to add some designs to my nails without having to freehand it, because I'm not there yet, but I'll get there. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited about these. I got orange, yellow, white. You guys know I love me some white. Glitter. I got everything. This is 35 nail tape. So I got this also from Amazon, and again, I'm putting the prices on the screen. Bomb, okay? Bomb. You guys know I had to get some nails because like I ran out. For the longest I was using that kiss set from Walmart, but like I ran out of nails, so I'm just like, okay, let me buy some nails. So I got the BU Instant Stiletto Nails, the Dramatic High Profile Arch, okay? So the reason I got, so this is what it looks like. There's 500 nails in here, you guys. 500, okay? The reason I got the stiletto ones because, let me just take one out. And I did get the natural ones. They do come in clear, but I just got the natural colored ones. And this is what she looks like. Can you see her? Yeah, you see her. So I got these ones because I'm still learning how to shape and stuff. So I figured with these ones it'll be easier, because say if I want stiletto nails, boom, I already have the stiletto nail. But if I also want coffin shape, I'll just take my nippers. Let me get my nippers. let me just show y'all that if I want coffin shape, being so I'm not as good at filing, I'll just cut the tip off. That's what she said. Say that. I'll just cut the tip off. So basically, I'll just take my nail nippers. Let me just show you how sharp these are, how good they work, okay? I'm going to take it. Oh, that went flying too. But, well, I have nails everywhere. But as you guys can see, I just cut the tip off and my nails are coffin shape. If I want to file them down and make it more coffin shape, I don't have as much filing to do, being so I'm new to this. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why I got these. I'm so happy, you guys. So now we're gonna get into the more fun stuff. It's only like 2 more things in this box, but this is the stuff that I really wanted to order. So first order of business, okay? I got me an e-file, you guys. You guys would know I've been talking about this e-file. I keep saying I need an e-file. It'd be easier if I had an e-file. Oh my gosh, I need an e-file. Guys, I have an e-file. This is her. Let me just take her out. Okay, so I'm plugging baby up for you guys. So I got this super sleek, super cute e-file. It's by Melody Susie. And you just plug her in. And this is what it looks like. So it did come with some drill bits as well, which as you guys can see here, there's a few different ones, but I could also order some online if it's not in here and then just use my e-file. So I was a little scared at first because I was just like, you know, like some of these little cheap ones, they don't be having no power, but this baby, let me put something on so I can turn it on for y'all. You guys, I'm so excited. So you just take your drill bit. I don't know the names for all the drill bits, but you take your drill bit, you just stick it in there until you can't stick no more. And then you turn it on down here and just listen. Ooh, it got some power, and then you can also like control it if you want to slow it down. You hear it? You can slow it down. And then if you want to, then you can turn it back up. Ooh, I just love it. And then there's an on off button on here too. And there's a button to make it spin the opposite way. So you can go that way. Well, you can't tell, but you could change it to go opposite way of spinning. And you can just turn it off. You guys, and it was so affordable. Again, prices on the screen. But I got the silver one because I thought this one would be more like, you know, like more professional looking. So yeah, you guys, I got this. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it already. I haven't even used it yet. And again, it came with all these drill bits, and it also came with some sanding bits as well. Like all of this came in this package. Okay, moving on because I'm too hyped. Baby got an upgrade. Okay, baby got an upgrade. Okay, so if you guys watch my nail videos, you guys saw that I have a UV light. Let me just show y'all the old, and then I'm gonna show y'all the new. Okay, so this was it here. This is like one that I basically stole from Kiana. Like she let me borrow it and I just never give it back. But this works, okay? She works. There's nothing wrong with her. The one thing is like you cannot fit your whole hand in at once, and you can, you know, you can just put like the tip, just the tip. You can just fit the tip in. But I want to be able to put my whole hand in, you know, get the whole full effect. And I also want one that I can put my toes in too, because I do like doing gel on my toes. So that is why I upgraded. There's nothing wrong with this one. She served her purpose, but you know, I had to upgrade. So let me guys show you the new. So this one is by the brand Diozo. Yeah, Diozo Professional Gel Polish LED Nail Lamp, 48 watts. And then it has all these cool settings on it. Okay, so this is the lamp here. Super lightweight. It's white and sleek and just cute. The thing I like about this one is it has all these settings on it. So you can do it for 99 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, and also when you take your hand out the lamp, it goes off. So let me just show you guys. So I'm gonna put it up. You guys see? Oh, upgrade. I love this, you guys. And it's super lightweight, so I can like move it around. I can put it on the floor and stick my toes in. I just put my hand in over here, and then it has the timer there. So say I have it on 30 seconds, and then I put my hand in, and it's going, you know, 28 seconds, 27 seconds. Ooh, take it out. It stops, and it still says I have 26 seconds left. Okay, it's just an upgrade, and it's affordable, and it's cute, and it's white, and it's just, it's. I don't know how to describe it. I'm just so happy. Okay, guys. That's everything I got from Amazon. I don't know why I'm so happy. You guys know it's just this is something that I'm into. So I'm always happy when I can, you know, get new things in and, you know, work towards something that I want to do. And I'm just happy, you guys. I do have more stuff coming in the mail, but these are the only purchases I have currently from Amazon. So yeah, you guys, if you guys stay tuned for my channel, you guys, because I'm going to give y'all designs. I'm going to be giving y'all all kinds of nail videos. I'm going to be nailing it up, okay? So stay tuned for my channel to see me use all of these products, okay? Because I'm going to be using it all the time. You guys are going to be seeing me all the time with my nail videos, every day, every week, every just, okay? I'm excited. Okay, guys, thank you all so much for watching. If you guys have any suggestions or anything you guys think that's on Amazon that I should buy for my nail kit, let me know, because I will buy it and I will do a review for it or video, whatever you want me to do, I'll do it. Anything nail related, I'll do it, okay? So yeah, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.